Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. What is this? Yeah, it's a clock. What about this? A watch or a wrist watch. It's also called a wristwatch. Why do you use them? To tell the time. Not to see the time, to tell time or to tell the time. Both are fine. Now, how do you tell the time? We'll look at that. We'll look at how to ask the time in different cases and how to say right. So, before I continue, if you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And most importantly, watch this video right till the end because you get a lot of things to learn from each of my videos. So let's start. Time. So how do you ask somebody the time? Simple. What's the time? What's the time? But is that kind of rude? Yes. How to ask politely? You say, excuse me, what time is it? Note the voice quality. Excuse me, what time is it? What time is it? Stress on time, also stress on what? What time is it? Another way of asking it is, excuse me, could you tell the time, please? Or could you tell me the time, please? Now note, excuse me and please are very important. Watch my video on the 5 golden words. It's given up here. It's also down there in the description below. I've given the link. So, excuse me. Now here's another question. Excuse me, do you have the time, please? Very weird. Not a lot of people that I have heard ask this, but I'm told that a lot of people do use it, especially in those English-speaking countries. Do you have the time, please? Personally, I think it's a very old expression. I don't know. So if somebody asks you this, it's right, okay? But you don't really have to ask, do you have the time, please? So, how do you give the answer? For that, we need to know how to tell the time. Let's look at the clock. This is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Note the apostrophe after O. 1 o'clock. Voice quality, pronunciation, it's 1 o'clock. O is a schwa. 1 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. These are the different ways of saying the time. Now, if it's 1:15, now this is what we all say, 1:15, it's right, it's perfectly fine. What's the time? It's 1:15. Great. Another way of saying that. Most of the English speakers use the second way. They say it's 1:15. 1:15. This one is 1:30. 1:30. This one is 12:45. 1:45. It means a quarter of an hour left to go to 1. A quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. So 15 minutes and it's 1 o'clock. So it's 1:45. So you have got an idea about that? What is this? Yeah, 1:50. What's a better way of saying that? 10 to 2. 10 or 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. We don't say 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. We simply say 10 to 2. This one? 10 past 2. 10 to 2, 10 past 2. After 12, it is past till 6. After 6 till 12, it's all 2. So how much is this? 18 to 7. 6:42, yes, we know that. But 18 to 7 is still more common than 6:42. All right, let's test. I'm going to give you some figures here, and you're going to tell me the words. I mean, how it is said differently. 4:48. 12 to 5. Yeah. 3:17. 17 past 3. 6:28. 28 past 6. Yes. 6:32. All right. It's 28 to 7. So that's it. Practice the second method. That's the way people normally say time. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.